Welcome to my channel today. Today I would like to share with you a wonderful recipe I've done on and off over the years. I actually got this off of Dr. Ack's website for this recipe, and I've done it for a long time and it's so good. But I'm using grass-fed beef, and I'm showing you some pictures here. I'm using beef femur bones, a knuckle bone, and I'm putting onions with skin. I like to leave the skin on when I do this because there's such nutrients even in the skin. So I'm adding that to my actual slow cooker. And I'm doing a whole handful, probably 7, 8 little stalks of celery. And I'm putting a couple of bay leaves in there as well. So let's see what else we got going in here. I got some thyme. And you can certainly use fresh thyme. If I had it, I would use fresh thyme. And I'm doing it to my preference. You do it to what you want. I have rosemary going in as well. And in the spring and summer, I normally have that outside, but it's in the winter. I got some tricolor peppercorn here. It's called melange. And I'm not measuring. I'm just putting what I like in there. Got some all natural sea salts with no preservatives, no caking agents. It's pure sea salt. And there again, I'm putting what I prefer in there. And then I'm doing about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. You do not have to put that much in there. You can put 2 tablespoons, whatever you prefer. But that helps pull the nutrients and gets the most benefits out of the bone and the marrow as it cooks. So you just put the lid on it and turn this on high, and you just let this cook. I didn't know, you didn't see me do this, but I did put water in there, and I pretty much kind of covered till I saw it at the top just a little bit to give it some liquid. But this is the pictures of it after 12 hours. And it smells divine this morning. It's just absolutely has just filled up my whole house with such a wonderful smell. And so I'm excited about that. We're going to be doing our bone broth fasting, intermittent fasting. And you want to cook this for at least 24 to 36 hours to get the full benefits of the broth. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Have a blessed day.